The ones that is Saturday, of course. Sawa zibabiri paka sawa tano. Eje tukwera magazine. Nenga mugamba mutia mwasibye mutia. Muri bulungi mbole kwera for the fuse every single Saturday. Yo, we back again on a new style. Basho gambo tena.
The fits blow.
Olikiria.
Yeah.
Akatuyonga kaze. Wagwan.
Wagwan man, wagwan.
Wiki birthday tamze. Wiki birthday.
Yeah, wiki mwana nze nkola. Nchapa mwana bela
uchapa bichi
nkola tubera mu masimu tubera mu laptop no software bichimu tukola bingi byetuberamu.
Yes, of course buluma ino kukola okulaba nti embere tambula bulungi nnyo. Grow na MC mutoni wa Chabazinga is mine. We are the Fuse live every single Saturday sawa ziba 2 paka sawa 5 je tukwera magezi. Tulina okubagenya abenjawulo abambali weru side ze bwe tulina omukulu Shan MC omujukira Shani.
Yeah, of course.
By then Fusing yakatandikawo magazine DJ brand ebiseera ebyo gabakyatandikiriza magazine bakabejalo webajja ha nola banja bala Shani nadduka US nagamba kagrona kankalekere Kampala. Of course we are dressed up by CMD Sellers and Fashion soko kolebot paklo shooting at our simple ampola close shooting at them bajirabe bulungi ngatendo yo CMD of course Sellers and Fashions we wabikola magazine abetaze so bafuna ali kuside zao ku Capital Centers just opposite New Tax Park. Abasajja bwe bali basale nnyo mu mbeera bwete okuba nti bakwambaza magezi nobango nekanekana bulungi nnyo mu mbeera yonna eyizo ba party oba weekend you can just go there ku Capital Center opposite New Tax Park bajja bakwa ku soko jono bashi bakulabe CMD Sellers bwabikola njagala nyaka gatako soko kube close shooting ateo CMD Sellers and Fashions there ya bikoze magezi so mutukira side zao Capital Center na kuwa engoye z'omulembe gwayagala okusubula still okyasobola okugendayo magezi ate mwabali side za Machindi abali Kansanga Entebbe Road side zao naona so basanga Machindi ku Mbaraka au ku Chamberlain Kayembe Road yao magezi awo so basanga abakulu ba CMD Sellers and Fashions babenga bakwengoye zakabi namba esimu osobafuna ku namba esimu 075 2817 0751 281779 oba ku 0784 027941 0784 027941 CMD Sellers and Fashions of course. This week tuene kunyimbe mpya of course ezaka fuluma this week tulime kaiba ka John Black kabaita like I do aka John Black akapia he has a new song akachalimu audio tulabya kaimba ka Zexi Langi out of Firebase of course your vice president wa Firebase aina kaimba kapia still tukaisizawo magazine ndoza na kukaiseo ka John Black bakaitani akapia ka John Black the new song
don't be like
don't be like
don't be
I like the njagala nyo like the beats. I love the beats of the song.
Actually, yazeyo chiri
yatandikira ompola ampola. Actually nabadde kibera ku Facebook YouTube ya John Black yomukuba imbe badde bakubazi 1 ZM okisegera views ngali mu million plus abadde akola nnyo mudoza ku YouTube performing very good. Spice Dana ne akola bulungi. Of course Eddie Kenzo is topping charts ku YouTube ono mu Uganda. Also in Africa is one of the big guys about topping charts ku YouTube abaina views nyingi. Turabimu mukuru aina bamwitani Mudra aina kaimba kapya bakaita Muyayu the audio is out already. Bebe Cool A-Pass it's already out akomukamanyo already anomala ina kapya
of course Brandways yata
Brandways aina kapya video is out already.
Yes, already out.
B2C Soldiers baina kaimba kapya ne David Lutalo kagenda kufuluma kusawa 5 today this morning bakaita ao B2C Soldiers David Lutalo this morning sawa 5 baje babakata magazine ada ila kapya omulala
of course Eddie Kenzo audio
breast audio
it's still an audio.
Okay.
No guy you have to go of course streaming live.
I decided the Canada.
Nelly Treasure. This one is called $1 Million Love.
$1 Million Love.
Yes, of course. Grace Nachimela is back with.
It's a gospel song. Of course, tugamba yaze mu gospel. Tagenda kudda mu kulandaga music wa mono wa bulijjo ya secular music. So she's back in gospel music. She has a new video. Of course, we're gonna be dropping that one. In a few.
Of course, Nina Rose,
she has Aina Kapia Kapanda, of course. It's a 2 week, I think 2 weeks now.
Yeah.
Rayvan is still has a new song. Alina Rema from Nigeria. They have a new song also. which is very good. Actually, this very week njagala congratulating buli omu, buli entertainer yayisewo yafunye nomination ya omukulu bamuyitani wa Patrick Mujuka yafunye nomination radio na kwitinga ku radio yasazewo eba radio yabite nadda mu politics part of nomination. Dr. Ilderman, he was nominated also. Anumula they are nominating Duao. Lutaya Joffrey, he's already he's naye. I think abasingo bungi bafunye nomination. So congratulations to you. Mugende mukole ebyo bimino kola okolera abantu side ze gye mugenda okukiika ya kyekisinga okuba ekikulu of course. Abasingo bungi mwayisewo Dr. Ilderman yabakolera akabaga abantu beeyo ajagenda okukiika akabaga mwakalimu ndowooza abantu basula mu ngato that day. DJ Bash, what are we having new this week? Tuna watch Piachi this week so far?
People power.
Beba trend.
But musically, it's about chairman musically. Because right now going to Independence, almost 2 weeks.
Yeah, live concert.
1 week back. Nenda abayimbi nga batulimbe nnyo when I had a look at Platinum aba TZ nenda performance ya TZ nenda performance ya was watching Nigerians the video the Banji Wizkid performing nenda banga we are still behind because I saw Chosen Becky she was on stage she's a good performer naye the CD almost abasinga bona
abasinga bakwesidi abasinga obungi obuzibu buva wasawe eno industry where is the problem basically?
I would say financial issue. In fact the single terms of reaching
no like tukatiwano this time round utwala about online concert obuzibu bwali okusinga abayimbi abasinga obungi balemanyo kuli live yabalema abasinga obungi okujja ko Cindy Sanyu nabamwe abatonotono. I think obuzibu buli ku COVID nti these guys back home bagenze ba relaxing, they are so relaxed abayimbi tebakyakola nyo practices mainly I think olwokuba tuli mu COVID kyendowooza nti bwe tuba tuli mu COVID tuba tulina time emala okola ebintu emuddala practices. We need to go to studio nga tukola album subira abayimbi okuta albums zenyimba by the time COVID is released. Obanga batadde mu industry okuddamu okola music. So subira abayimbi okulaba nti muddamu mu releasinga videos ez'amaanyi even the vocally nga muli strong. I saw Eddie Kenzo also performing somewhere. Naera still yabaddeko side December ne bachali bange bakumra events. Nengero laba still I don't know what bakola practices but there is something missing somewhere. What do we somewhere?
Even Crystal Panda's performance wasn't so up like yade si amani you know atukubye hits Billy na performance yaze ku stage he was doing Chino Manya remix yet he was yabade yekanga tali watch the yimye single watch together
now kola the original version
yade ku stage and he was doing a remix ngarine Shiba so I was somehow disappointed because the guy is so talented. There's something we are lacking.
Aina energy ku stage.
Yes,
there is something missing. I don't know those that you know could drawing board yetu atandikira. Aleme kuba COVID tulemesa kola bintu bimuya. By then tolaba Crystal Panda nga chakola some of the shows before COVID. Olaba nga ali so energetic, ali like vibrant ku stage. But this time round tolaba buli omonga kyamulidde. Actually abayimbi abasinga muino okuddeyo mwetereze musically, vocally. Today twetereze ku drawing board.
Mpoze kirala mbadde nteesa nti mbuza abayimbi balina okufuna live band nga olaba ba Eddie Kenzo ba Bebe Kurban talina live band nga ki olaba n'abayimbi ba bandi abasinga baziina abamisa kibani nibo batalina band ng'eri mikono gye but they do practice you understand so nti buli muyimbi yenna alina okubeera used ku live band kozi kyekikufuula kikyoli not other than being okugenda mu kubanga buli mwaso ogenda mu studio nakola oluyimba nange nsogende ne ndukola no wali muyimbi
naye kikwawula ku of course I'm an artist naye kikwawula ku abo kyekiriwa kyekyo inokola that ability there so tugeze kukulaba ntukola practice zabino ebintu abayimbiya abatulabirako bangi basically abatulabirako bangi betuwa ekyokulabirako nga bagala bakule babengaffe so time eno tubanga tubamalamu ate amaanyi it is not so good tekikola makulu ya so I think industry mu Uganda industry sawa eno so far right now East Africa wide I think Tanzania is leading musically. Tanzania is leading us. You know abayimbi ndoza like 5 artists sibanji they like 5
sibanji but they have
that
yesterday we started checking out Platinum for the film and we saw his gundi channel engeri je kolam guy is almost asinga na Nigeria bonna down because he's over in 4 million subscribers kitegeeza you are oli kitegeera on addition jagala ko yanza Eddie Kenzo has
agezeza kokola I was so surprised when Eddie Kenzo asinga Wizkid.
I was so surprised seriously.
We're talking about internet.
Yeah.
Eddie Kenzo asinga Wizkid. Asinga Davido.
Voila.
Chiche tubulamu dala twetanga chechira
Eddie Kenzo, if he got something like 1.3 subscribers for YouTube, nga Wizkid ari 1.2. David ari 1.4 cyakitegeeza Eddie Kenzo abasajja akola ki
abasinga nebogenda mu views enyimba za release nzulaba views ziri waggulu nnyo netubulamu ki okulaba ntulina omuyimbi alinga Wizkid ebwerwe kyekibulamu bash bwoba olaba as a DJ tubulamu kyawo kubanga tulaba Eddie Kenzo bwe tudda ku like internet social media abasinga bana abasajja but this naye olaba Wizkid akoza kayimba ne Chris Brown akoza kayimba nani bolaba Drake of course bolaba Beyonce Diamond akoze na ne Alicia Keys tubulamu ki what is missing there bolaba tufuno omuntu ali so vibrant that side competing at that level
on top of all ndoza tulina okufocusinga nnyo ku marbles kimatalinga sometimes because okora collab ne Alicia Keys she want tagenda kunonya because of the media platform you have bogendereza collabs zakoze akoze n'abana bali talented mukitegera
I think tekijja kubeera nnyo basically ku voices because bula Wizkid vocally these guys aba Nigeria abasinga vocally they're not so good. That's it.
When listen, this guy
vocally they're not good.
Rema, is it Fireboy?
Yeah, Fireboy.
Fireboy, but Mr. Easy, but Joe Boy, they're so talented. You understand? Nti ne wasaye chintu abantu bagenda bachinonye. Right now urabo rimba rwa Munda was done good on YouTube, yeah. Rimba rwa Baby Lava ye no ratata. Simanyo marina even 1M. Mukitegera. But the song is dope here in Uganda. Ne bwechibera MTZ o Kenya ugino kutuka yenga utawezana ari almost 2M
ngaduse
ekirala abayimbi ba misusing media platforms omuyimbi akora oruyimba nagenda ku WhatsApp narusindikira abana
nashinga ku WhatsApp
which is bad oruyimba rukore ruteke ku outlets enungi oba Spotify oba bichi abana oba link bagende oruyimba rukoreki connect you so ngibane ngamanta abayimbi bayina that kind of illiterate abamu tebamanyi kosa bulungi social media
nendoza bagenda bakitegeera covid yonna tuyigiriza ebintu bingi nnyo olaba ne Jovan Luzinda akola YouTube channel Henry Mwanje akola YouTube channel kitegeeza covid atuyigiriza ebintu bingi nnyo these guys batuleseko ku I think a bit of mileage because bo batusoko bitegeera tubesingira nnyo ku stage
bolaba omuyimbi yesterday David Rutalo ya postinze ku Facebook n'agamba agenda ku uploading enyimba zenkadde what has he been waiting for? I was talking to his media personnel in Pala ku channel ya David Rutalo. The guy was answering
because they are in a YouTube channel by then. Nagaba last time twakakola YouTube channel ne Queen Florence
eyo yaganye
twakakola YouTube channel deke yange talking about Queen Florence YouTube channel ye kati nyimbe ezali ku the other YouTube channels endala twageza kola bantu blockinga zidde ku YouTube ya fempya
Rancho was blocking up. The reason being, kubanga goro ortade ku channel yo terina views. Katogenda kola bomane ya rusa yedda nga bashi na sayo na mix yange muri nyimba za Haruna ziri mitwala 28 because of jealousy agenda kuja striking. That's why abana to just like this to hiding ba subscribers iba abamu batuwarana wajja ku channel yange na 6k he feels jealousy abasha agenda kufuna sente nenga nawe sokera kumacha notekayo content wo video iyo audio wogo yabiteka mu sente but because tomanyi ogenda kufuna abana bakuyamba ko babikutereyo bakufune mu sente you understand so abayimbi ndoza eno bayamba ko bayigiriza ku media how music so tambula ate ku media bamute bachimanyi
ate naba benyini tebabitegeera behinze babitegera batodonyera babitegera abawuma okitegera of course olaba ne ba producer I think mbadde nyumya mune Renex sawa emabega even yesterday nabanyumya nyumya mune nomukulu ne simu these guys are still complaining lwaki no bagitane Uma ejane bawo omuntu Justin Buzz bakulembera bo ba producers
is not even a producer
is not a producer you get kitegeza ne Uma yenyini byekola tekyabitegeera you get kati bo bagamba kutegerera abayimbi then there will be a problem somewhere of course also ita ku namba yesimu jolabao wansawo 0700229236 we're going to be talking to you in a few otubuli akayimba koyagala okuwuliriza olunaku lwaleero n'okulabaya talking about mpola masa we do some music DJ Bash we come back in a few we have some guests of course two abroad and one come yes and a beautiful song that one agambo tenda blood Olikiria obulamu bulungi of course CMD Sellers and Fashions bebasala watu ambaza magezi abantu abo kansukire wanya kwambaza
bamuta Fashion Kate
yakwambaza bwati onomuta CMD Sellers and Fashions bubo yagala okwata video yakabe y'omulembe ngoyagala engoye ez'omulembe tukira ba CMD Sellers and Fashions bali ku Capital Center opposite New Tax Park awo ku kizimbe kya Capital Center bo balaba magezi abakulu bali ku room number WC3 ne ku room number WB15 bakoze ne room empya ndowooza WC what 12 bayina ne room mpya bakoze nenga atali Machinde kansanga Entebbe Road so basanga side zao Machinde ku Mbaraka ya ku Kayembe Road so bafuna side zao ba CMD Sellers and Fashions big up on the students bwetumala wano bash tugenda ku CMD kade so tukuya ku namba yesimu ya ogambo tamze musical atya
musical ya mulungi odaso mulungi ali awatya
mu covid music otandise wakatandika music
kati namutandika ko dawo
omaze mbanga kisofa sawero
kati sofa maze myaka ena
4 years twina videos maker
sawe
mu myaka ena gino
mu myaka ena tuna video mwenderi ekyali mufumbire genda forum
olwejja ate ne peba gitani jetuzanye sawero
ino bagita
chamkadia yes latest video latest video ani akoze video ani akoze audio
bamwita Xperia
wantebe naye ate audio ani akoze audio
bamuta Dani Magezi wali Kawempe
Dani Magezi from Entebbe to Kawempe ogenda kola audio Entebbe paka Kawempe how do you do that tebwine ba producers ba kabi Entebbe side Entebbe yo
tubayina naye
temba wadde mukisa lwaki temba wa chance abantu betebe okukola audio zamwe like your music
yes tubawa naye kati obuzibu obuliwo nti promotion eri n'okusinga nti kati eri n'ogenda n'okuba teri promotion y'amaanyi kiri awo
nati ndowooza Entebbe tali wala nnyo na Kampala Entebbe ali kumpi nnyo just nearby Kampala Fribo yatugamba yakola audio ye ezimu ku nyimba empya ze yakata yagenda waabwe Western eyo mu West Nile jakolya audios empya ba producers abapya side zeyo kitegeeza you can do your audio from Entebbe n'ojja no pushing e Kampala still oba wadde support of producers ku ground ewaka okitegeera
omanyi mu music naddala mu producer ng'omuntu gukwatagana naye nakuba ekintu oyanga okifiiringa ngaye mwakwatagana
so ba producer go bazala ogamba tebalina waaka olowooza
sibazaalawo naye just kisinza ku nkwatagana y'omuntu
kwatagana ne producer okay ani asinga okukolera engoma ennungi e Kampala mu ba producers bolaba
producers
Nesimu
ne
Daddy Andre Nesimu walagadde kola nani kwabo Nesimu Daddy Andre okay that is so good music sawa no so far tuli mu covid right now music tatambula shows tetambula magezi kigoyinza okuwa abayimbi essaawa eno temukyayimba temukyalina concerts tewakyali bbaala wakuyimbira magezi kigowa abayimbi abaliyo ddala abato mainly abatandika
obutandisa amagezi gembawa kipinga ng'owandiika covid sawa yonna
agenda kuggwa olina management
siina naye sawa yonna ngenda funa
ogenda funa ki ekikwesa management olowooza
sofa kati waka gwe nnina nange mwewulira
mulungi oli mu generals ki okusinga oyita mu generals ki like style gy'oyimba okusinga
okusinga nkuba danso ne rhythm after rhythm
rhythm yeriweeyo
eyo yanatnepaneeyo
rhythm after rhythm
yeah
tujina style ebashi rhythm after rhythm jakuba yemukuza ku dance ne rhythm after rhythm. Do you have that style? Bw'oba yanati Nathan then it's created. Nga gravity watera tugamba nti ye style jakuba tagimanyi ali munoonya linnya lyayo kitegeeza nati waba yakola style rhythm after rhythm then ne bateriyo mu music tetulina style bayita rhythm after rhythm.
Iyo je kale gitwaye nga brand new yeah
wali brand new style
yeah
nga brand new
yeah
bani abazivumbula bani abazireeta
feve nyimi
ojja kutomera blood ojja kutomera mu abazivumbula okay that is good. Let me ask you omuyimbi okutuka okukola concert right now kiyinza okutwalira bbanga kyoba stage kiwoyinza okutuuka n'ogamba nti kati I'm ready to do a concert
stage jengamba nti jensobola okutuukako
n'ogamba right now kati I'm ready I can do a concert stage chair
katugeze ngeya Kenzo awo
eyo nga wala nnyo Eddie Kenzo ali mu bana abasinga ogenda kulinda kutuuka ku Kenzo okole concert
ekyo nengenda mu bwangu kubanga management jensuuba jengenda okufuna kintu kigenda kuba massive.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay, we'll play this song once again. Can you kaita kaimba? Can you premiere the song, then we come back in a few.
Okay.
Ka premiering kaimba ko tuka playing.
Okay. Chusa camera zero on trigger. Danny Magazine ya pande another trigger. Easy as the girl them don't fear. Bum.
Ogambo tena eneli.
This side.
Canada aliacha tunyumize Canada. How is Canada?
Canada is doing great right now. We're in fall. It's too cold. Not too cold, but it's getting to winter right now.
It's winter. You in winter now?
Yeah, not yet. We're in fall, which means like the trees are turning colors and the leaves are falling down to get ready for the winter.
Okay.
So that's why we're in right now. The weather is kind of chilly. It gets too cold. We're dropping to negative soon, but we're good.
Kati kola wote muganda wange. Ochajukira Oluganda.
Yeah. Like when you talk in Luganda, I can understand what you're saying.
You can't speak Luganda.
I can speak Luganda, but like it's hard.
It's hard, eh? Which tribe are you, Nelly? Or tribe like which tribe are you? Because you're from Uganda, though you live in Canada.
I am a Muganda.
You're a Muganda, but you can't speak Luganda.
I can understand, but I cannot speak. I can speak just a little bit. Like I try, but it's really hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
But how is music?
Music is good. Music is fine, and like once you start like doing what you're doing, it actually comes natural. Like all the time, you want to be doing music. You want to be either writing, you want to be recording, and like it gets in you. You get to feel music in you. So that I don't know, it just feels naturally sometimes.
Okay. Are you in management? Yeah. Do you have a management, or you're doing as you?
No, I'm not under management.
Okay.
I'm a solo artist. Like I'm not under any management, but I do have like a team that's helping me to like do a few stuff down there, even in different countries like Venezuela and like other different countries. I do have like small teams that help me on the ground to help like do stuff in there where I'm not.
Okay. So how do you push music in Uganda, down in Uganda? How do you push your music?
It depends, because like I try to copy the way you guys do it, because it's so different here. So I try to, I have a person that I ask
for like iDevice and all that stuff. I talk to all the time,
Okay.
and he's like, let's do this, let's do that. So he's actually the person who's helped me distribute the songs to different radio stations, TV stations,
Yeah.
and he's like kind of doing that work for me. And yeah,
We need to do we need to play this song, your latest song. Which name is it? Your latest song.
my latest song,
I
my
want you
new
to.
song is
I want
called.
you, Nelly. I want you to premiere this song. I want you to tell the viewers who are near quarter video, yo, and then the audio. Who did the audio? Yeah. Then you premiere the video. We play it. Then we come back for you.
All right.
Yeah.
So the person who did my audio, like the song before we shot the video, the person is called Nyash Music. And you guys don't know him.
Nyash
He's a
Music.
good producer here, and we work together like in the studio because I was like, I want something like this, and he cannot create something that I couldn't like. So we were there in the studio, like
Okay.
there for like 4 hours trying to create a beat, and then to make sure that I lay on it and everything. So I really appreciate the time he gave me, like he actually put into the thing.
Okay.
And the video was shot by Michelle.
Michelle.
Um,
Okay.
yeah, it's a French name because he's a guy. It's not a woman, but when you pronounce it like that, it's in French. So it's a guy, but it's called Michelle. Like the way it's different how you pronounce it.
Okay.
Yeah, and we felt it like it was too cold, but we made it, and it's out.
It's out already. Okay, let's play this video. Then we're gonna be coming back in a few for you, bro. Yeah? Just keep on
Right.
line.
Okay, I'm here. Yeah. I'll be
Okay, he's Nelly. Aliside Zella. He's in Canada. We're gonna play this song. Behind the video, who writes your music, bro? Who does your music? The writing.
The writing, it's actually me and my friend is called Sky D, the DJ. I think you know him because you work with him.
Yo, Sky DJ. I know that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sky D, the DJ. Yeah. So we work together most of the time. I'll be like, I want to write something about this. I give him a topic sometimes, and he come up with a flow or like something. And when he send me that, I try to write according to how he's flowing, and then I try to like rehearse and then go through what I've written and send him, and also and he go through the lyrics. I'm like, oh, let's put in this instead of this. So we always like work together and exchange ideas and like different like things like the beats. I send him the beats. I'm like, can you listen to this? What do you think about it? Or yeah, so the process is more like that.
Okay. As we conclude, Nelly, I want you to. Do you have some like your people in Uganda, down in Uganda, that you want to send greetings to?
The people that I would like to send greetings to are the like my people who love my song, like my fans, because I'm getting so many messages on my social media platform, my Instagram and Facebook page. They're sending me messages and also commenting on my YouTube channel how they like the song and the video is so good. I really appreciate that because the effort that was put in that project, it was really a lot. It was really cool by the time we shot the video, but to see that people are actually loving it right now, that makes me so happy. So I really send greetings and shout out to all those people that are out there that are loving my song right now.
Okay. Your last remarks to the people watching you now in Uganda and around the world. Your last remarks. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, like your last remarks to the people watching you on TV now and on social media platforms. What can you tell them? And as we summarize,
the people that are watching me right now, just know that there is a lot that's coming. I have a full EP that's already recorded. We're going to be releasing songs after a certain period. So this was a lead single of this EP. So there is a lot that's coming for you guys during the Christmas season.